Alright, what's going on, everybody? This is the Bearded DIY guy. So, just purchased a Toyota Sienna for the appliance repair business and want to try to clean these headlights. So, I've got Griot's, I think is how it's pronounced. Griot's Garage is ceramic headlight. It's like 30 bucks at AutoZone. So, this is everything that comes in the box. You got an oxidation remover, removal pads. You got two 1000, one 2000, and one 3000 grit sandpaper. You've got the block to put it on to sand coating, and then of course gloves. So we're going to get started. You want to tape everything off per the instructions, but I'm not going to do that today. We're just going to wipe it off with the oxidation removal wipes. We're going to sand, we're going to coat, and then we're going to be done. So let's get to it. Alright, so got the oxidation removal wipe. We're going to try to do this one-handed. Make sure we go all across this. That's what it's going to look like. So let's fold it one more time. Alright, so after step one, that's what that oxidation wipe looks like. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to come up here, and then it says sand. So we're going to get this ready, and I'll bring you right back. Alright, so after that, I'm going to wipe it off with a microfiber towel. Alright, and then we're going to start sanding. Alright, so the next step is you got to sand. It doesn't say this on the box, but I always wet it first. Just to wet sand them seems to work better. So we're going to start with the 1000, and then you're going to see some haziness because it's getting one layer off. Then you go to the 2000 and then the 3000. Alright, so whenever you do this, like I said, you're going to see some haziness, and then the water coming off is going to be yellow. That's just the oxidation coming off of it. We're going to keep this going. Alright, so after the 1000, you're going to look like that. I typically go until the water coming off of it is clear. That means the oxidation is off. So we're going to get to 2000, sand this down, get a little finer, clear it up a little bit. Be right back. Alright, so the last one is going to be the 3000, which I've got on already. We want to do this, wipe it down, and then do the ceramic coating, and I'll show you the after product. So this is what it's going to look like after the 3000. Still going to be kind of hazy. Now we're going to go to the last step, which is the ceramic headlight coating. Let's put this on, and I'll show you the after. Alright, there's the after. That's what we were working with before. And this is after. I say for $30 that works great. Once again, this is ceramic headlight restoration kit. $29.99 at my local AutoZone. You go side by side. You just repeat the same process on the other side. Alright, so this is the passenger side after sanding. Go back. This is what it's going to look like when we're done. Now the after. And after. Alright, so once again, this is not a sponsored video, but stuff works great. Paid 30 bucks. Cheapest headlights I found online on Amazon were maybe $130 for the set. Please like, follow, and subscribe.